Imagine giving your scalp a natural spa treatment that boosts hair growth, stop hair breaking, and nourishing every strand from your root to tips. Today, I will show you the power oil I create for princess hair. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, natural goodness that your hair will really love. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Actually, I made a special hair oil for my little princess, and today I will share the benefit of each ingredient. This blend was infused for 1 month today with herbs and oils, then mixed with essential oils to make it more powerful. So let's get to the ingredients. First, it was my avocado oil. I take avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. It also supporting strong hair and thicker. It's deep moisturizing dry scalp and reducing dandruffs in your hair. So when you are using avocado oil, it's going to help you for your hair, especially if you have dandruffs in your hair. So this oil, I infuse it for a good 1 month now. So the only thing, because the main video, when I was doing, I take the video, but when I'm editing my video, did a mistake. I deleted it by mistake. It was two video, I deleted it by mistake. So I'm just going to mention the ingredients for you people, so that when you are going to make yours, you may know what you are going to use to infuse your oil. But I will advise you again, before you make your oil, try to know your hair type, so that you may know the type of oil that you can use to do what, to infuse your hair. My daughter have a low prostate hair. So low prostate hair, if you check your hair type and you have a low prostate hair, then it means the type of oil that I'm using for my daughter, the same oil also, you also can use that one to infuse for yourself. So my first carry oil was avocado oil. So the next oil is aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil also is smoothing the scalp and reducing itchiness if you have itchiness or your hair is itching you, and also is full with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which call scent scent over. It's called scent over. Help with shining and smoothness your hair and your scalp. So I added jasmine oil also. Jasmine oil, it's also locking in moisture and also adding shiny. It's creating for reducing scalp dryness. If you have dry scalp and you are using jasmine oil, it also can support you to keep your hair or to be locking the moisture into your hair. It also contains antioxidant that protects hair. Okay, so if you are using jasmine oil, you have to know that jasmine oil, the benefit of jasmine oil, for you to add it into your routine for your hair. And I added jojoba oil also. Jojoba oil is very close to the natural oils of our scalp, rich in vitamins B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, plus zinc. Jojoba oil, it also helps to encourage hair blood circulation, blood flows, and also promoting hair growth if you are using jojoba oil. And I added sunflower oil also. Sunflower oil is also packed with vitamins which keep vitamin E. Sunflower oil is having vitamin E. It also keep hair soft and manageability, and also preventing breaking and freezing. So those oil that I used to infuse this thing. So after I get all my oil, the ingredients that I put inside, let me mention it for you please. If you are watching and you are interested, you know your hair type and you are going to do, maybe you can find a pen for yourself, and write the ingredients down. Or maybe if you want, you can check my main channel, my YouTube channel, Princess Hair Care. In the description below, I'll mention everything is going to be laying down there, so that you can see the ingredients that I use to infuse this oil. So let us go continue. Now you can see, after everything I infuse, I strain it So after straining it, I added all the necessary essential things, the essential oils that I'm going to add inside. So those are the oils that I do. So this thing also, please stay tuned and watch to the end, because I'm going to take you guys step by step and apply it to my daughter, show you how you can use it to apply into your hair. If you want to use it for your hair, how to apply it, I'm going to show it to you people. And don't forget also, you after when you are watching this video, you can come back, because this video I'm talking about low prostate hair oils. So if you have a low prostate hair and you want to infuse oil for yourself, this type of oils that you need to do what you need to get to infuse for yourself. But we have another one also. That one also is for high prostate hair oil, because that one, I'm having high prostate hair, so the oil that I'm using is different from my daughter. So my too, I will come back and strain that oil also, and I will tell you guys the benefit and also the oils that I use to infuse for myself. So if you are interested with that video, or you are interested, you want to know the high prostate hair, the type of oil that we can use for our hair, then after this video, come back and watch the next video. Okay guys, so let's continue to check about the herbs that I use to infuse this oil. So guys, now let's check the herbs that I use to infuse this oil. I will take my lavender. So lavender also help to provide blood circulation and help with hair growth if you are using lavender. So we have lavender oils, lavender essential oils, and lavender herbs also. So that was the herbs that I'm talking about, the herbs that I use to infuse it. So now guys, now I'm going to apply it to my daughter. After everything, how you to use and apply, you have to do what? You have to hydrate your hair. If your scalp is dry, make sure you hydrate your hair first before you apply that oil to your scalp, because this type of oil is only need your scalp. Okay, your scalp need it, because all the hair, if your hair is growing from the scalp, it's not growing from your hair. So always start from your scalp, from the roof to the tip. So start from the scalp. So that's why I'm doing. You have to hydrate the hair. Don't apply that oil into your dry scalp. If your scalp is dry, don't apply. You can even use wet water to just wet your hair small before apply that oil, but don't apply it direct dry scalp. Okay, so the herbs that I use to make that oil, to mix it inside of that oil, that one I'm saying lavender, rosemary, mulberry, and olive leaf. So this was the herbs that I used to do what? I blended it into the powder form. Not all that powder like that, but I just blend it, because when you blend it, it's infusing very quick than when you just leave everything like that. So I blended it and I put it inside that bottle and added my oil, the oils that I'm already telling you people the benefit the beginning of this video. So I put it inside and covered it and keep it in the dark corner for good 1 month. So today my daughter hair oil is finished. That's why I bring it out and strain it. So I know one of these days also again I'm going to prepare another oil, because what I'm doing immediately when I strain hair oil, I'm preparing another one and keep it. By the time I will finish the one that I strain it, that time the other one also, it will be ready for me to do what to start using. So this is the oils, one of the oil, one it was remaining. So for me to put inside of this thing is making it easier for me to apply to hair. So that's why I keep it there. So let us check and see the herbs, the benefits of the herbs a little bit. Okay guys, so lavender, as I said, lavender is helping providing blood circulation to the hair and also helping hair grow. And rosemary also is adding stimulating blood flows to your hair, and also is rich in antioxidant to prevent hair thinning, also strengthen roof, and it's for thicker hair. If you're looking for the thicker hair, rosemary, try for rosemary to be your best friend. So a mulberry leaf also is also full of vitamin C and iron. Okay, it's also strengthening hair and reducing hair loss. So if you are, and also promoting natural shining to your hair. If you are using mulberry leaf also, that's how you are going to get it and olive leaf also is contain vitamin E and antioxidants. It's also do what, replacing damaging hair if your hair is damaging, and also protecting scalp healthiness. Is if your hair is, you have damaging hair and you are using olive leaf, it's something that is going to replace your hair and protect your hair, your scalp from damaging. If your scalp, you have bad scalp and you are using olive leaf, is going to help you. So let's check and see the essential oils that I added inside. So my people, the essential oils also I added as a lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil, it's also helping. That one I'm saying is helping to do what, hair growth, to grow your hair and grow your hair thicker. So that was the essential oil. And also I added rosemary essential oil. It's also boosting blood circulation for faster hair growth, when you want your hair to grow faster. So those essential oil is having benefit. And vitamin E oil is also protecting hair for damaging and nourishing and strengthening hair strands. Okay, and argan essential oil is also full of fatty acid and vitamin E, making hair shining and smooth and freezing the freeze. Okay, so these things, if you are using it and you know how to apply it into your hair in the direct way. I also added avocado essential oil. It's also boosting blood circulation to nourishing your scalp and thicker hair and strengthen hair naturally. So if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, these are the things that you don't need to joke with it. And this oil, how am I using it? So guys, this oil, how to apply it, you can see how I started it with my little girl. So first, all the ingredients that I mentioned, I take my oils, I mix all the oils together. I took the herbs, I blended it, I pour it inside the bottle that having lid. I mix my oils inside. I covered it for good 1 month. So after 1 month, I bring it out and strain it. I added my essential oils that I mentioned for you. If you know that you cannot remember the essential oils that I say, please go to my YouTube channel. The name is Princess Hair Care. You see that video, you will see in the description below, everything is there. I will make sure that I write everything there so that you can do what, you can write the ingredients plus the oils if you have low porosity hair. Okay, so low porosity hair, this oil and this helps. That's why guys, you see what my daughter is doing. If she doesn't want me to put my hand into her hair like that, that's what she's doing for me. She's started shaking her hair. That shouldn't put my hand inside. So when she's doing like that, I just have to be patient and just following her small until she allow me to close everything. Because if she's doing like this and I'm going to continue, final, if she's laughing, she'll start to cry. So I will just take it easy for her. She even trying, yeah, she's even trying now. She's scalp cool. I have to continue. So after I finish everything, I use my oil to massage her scalp. This is the hair butter. This one also is a mango and avocado hair butter. I have it in our main channel. So this channel also, I will make another one again. Actually, I will make my, because for her she still have some butter. I'm the one, I don't have butter again, so I'll make my also maybe hair butter. If you also want to learn how to make your own hair butter, you can watch it step by step and make your own hair butter. So this is the way that I'm doing it. So after closing it, everything, because this thing is growing hair, but while you are going to get the benefit, you have to know how to apply it to your hair. Because there are so many people that they will just take oil while their hair is dry, they start to apply the oil inside. That one, you are just just showing that you are applying, but that oil cannot give you any benefit because you are not applying the oil into the right way. Everything is having a way that you can do to get the benefit. Your hair needs to keep it moisture. As I'm saying now that I'm also know this, all this thing, I know I'm also do so many mistakes like that, because I also used to apply oil direct dry like that, combing my hair dry without hydrating my hair and started combing it, all these things, it make us lost our hair. Now I learn it and I stop doing that. So I want people who are out there also suffering with how to grow their hair, so that we all do what, we started growing our natural hair beauty together. Okay, so please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. So now after I finish everything, you can see how I finish everything. I make sure that the mouth, I close the mouth very well, because the mouth, that is the important. We are trying to maintain the length of the hair. Princess is saying bye bye to you people. Bye bye, we love you people. Okay guys, so you say to everyone. So please, if you are watching, support us. Okay, what we need from you people to support us by liking and sharing and subscribing.